Welcome to our tutorial on how to refresh your inbox in Gmail on your PC. Keeping your inbox up to date is crucial for staying on top of important emails and ensuring you never miss a message. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to refresh your Gmail inbox with the latest updates. First, let's start by opening Gmail. Simply launch your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar interface that makes managing emails so easy. Next, open your inbox from the left side menu. This will take you directly to where all your emails are stored, making it easy to view and manage them. Now here's where some people might get stuck: refreshing their inbox. To do this, simply click on the refresh icon located at the top of the page. This action reloads your entire inbox and fetches any new emails that may have arrived since your last check-in. Refreshing regularly ensures that you have access to all new messages as soon as they arrive. It also helps prevent delays or missed communications due to outdated information in your inbox. In addition to refreshing manually, Gmail automatically updates periodically when connected online. However, if you need immediate access or want control over when updates occur, like during critical communication periods, manually refreshing is a quick solution. By following these straightforward steps, opening Gmail, accessing your inbox from the menu bar at left side of screen, and clicking that handy refresh button, you can keep yourself organized efficiently while using one of today's most popular email platforms, Google's very own Gmail service. So go ahead and give it a try. Refreshing is just one part of maintaining an efficient email workflow, with tools like these available right within reach every time we log into our accounts online today.